Etiefo me mamuni akwa eba Melodies TV so asembi akoso na asem no eba beto menim no I've not been able to come to a conclusion and intimate beto menim na yahwe say the police for ye no anase enye because we have history. Ghana police, we have history. Okay, intino asem we esi wo Gomoa Budumburam camp. The Liberian camp no yesterday ama ende ensembia kokoso no police no so they've had their share. Now Endra say police for enya call say a branch bia wo Budumburam camp inside ho okrasekan okranklante cutlass bienu ena say nkrofusro nti police for no call ho police for no call ho no nekre na branch ekita cutlass 2 atrese wo hu na ohun se wo ba no wo the tower so at least that's what we hear from the police ohun se wo ba no the second mienu no or the tower ohun se wo ba no the second mienu no at the tower you know the police felt say no their life were at risk, their lives were being threatened because a branch no at the second no ba police for ne so. And so what the police did and they said wo mo bo a branch ni tu ekun no Liberian camp ho. Now, wamubo ni tiokuno no. A branch ni yobi a woye Nigerian. Yate se ni din the Precious Walter Billions. Ni di angasa no Walter Billions. Emze ni nickname Walter Billions no. Memse ni di angasa ye Precious. And a nickname ni Walter Billions. Na esi sa no police for ebo ni tiokuno no. What say se ni amedin katro Nigerian ni wote Liberian camp ho. Enyo no pe no to. They have a Nigerian community even in that Liberian camp. And I want to say Nigeria for so there. Eto de bia obi be se womo nte se Ghana for womo de womo hu se bibi to womo nipa bia womo be sorry ama nipa no. So what Nigeria is for no and say womo per delegation womo penny be the Nigerian community penny no. And I just womo call police station ho womo ti asem no call police station call catch police for no say oh a branch here sebe he was obi a sebe na se na adwen mo eka no na mo nso police for na nka mo betumi aye nyama in a professional way se mo nso mo ba bebo ne tio eku ne de ya de a enye because ama Nigeria for ne bu efu pa to mo call police station ho endra na embra ade ne siye no na wo mo koka asansem no a che police for anso wa etie for ende ye sorry ya de yate ene say Nigeria for no kra no ebi mo di ebufuo ako police station ho atrese police for no so wo atibie hwia pa atrese se nia wo mokọ se nyama wo police station ho no be hu no say yes wo mu efu Nigeria for wo mote Ghana wo mu de ebufu akọ yen Ghana police station ho akọ se nyama se aden ene wo se ye ku wo mu nipa aden ne wo se ye ku wo mu nipa ama ebi mo abadeja wo police station ho wo mo mbe se nyama ase nyama wo police station trese anya asem kitso ante na me no ka sei ukọ Budumburam ho the police station na wo ho na obehu ne say heavy police presence wo ho just because of this issue na say me din kankan na asem we ye asem bia akwakoye say se wenhu kan ebia na edensem foforo akwakoba one say police for no ebo abrantie ni tuo eku no. Was it necessary? Was there any other way the police could have handled this case? Because you see ni pakuno sebe na adwimo ekano. Se na adwimo kana, did you have to kill the person? Obviously, it means said ye na ni pakuno wo ye no wonu onim. So was there any other way we could have solved this issue than shooting and killing him? Ghana police misro yem omu ni tasers ana. Because we talk about police brutality mrofofo womu kumbi before wo hono your president eka ho asem. This can also amount to police brutality. Senipakona dreamu ekana. Don't we have any other way we can contain the person than to shoot and kill the person? Because yes na adwumu kana na trese anda obi ana adwumu kana kra wo de ne kokota ye nchi ni ntum because yes na adwumu kano. Nti obi ana adwumu kano Not to say wonim the warrior. So wonim the warrior. Did you have to shoot the person and kill the person? It's a no one before and a Nigeria for no so educate the Omayano. Now the Nigeria for no so ayano. Washa, so what will be mine so. Na Washa send Pacono we do bonnet, and also I was a walk say wo police station and na. Won't it anger the people in the country? Me sure say wokra wo ye Ghana ni no. What say Nigeria for akwa say Ghana police station no. Wokra wo buafu. Inti na make say asem way asem bia two sides ni na say when hu ne kan e be den asem no be to me ni me say asem way dey den. Because we've seen some before. Ghana police kuma me kan undo echi kuma say Ashanti region omo ko bon crofo be 7 tuo eku omo ekosisan ntuo etina nkrofo ne ho wo mo bon crofo ni tuo eku omo wie no di etuo ekototo nkrofo no ho ekatre Ghana for say nkrofo no ye armed robbers. Later investigation na police for nankasa ye ebe tre say nkrofo no kra no wo mo nya armed robbers na police wa wo mo di say ejuma no eyentro no mu twae. Inti they have history. I think that this is the time, or this is a point at Ghana, yet they able to me they are reforming our police personnel. Because je sika kesiye aye yusu ye di ewo my way mo. Can't we just get some well, ya wonyama bia your friend e bia containment equipment be and a containment material. Said be wo hwese wo bi eye heja obi to me their brain nipa kono ase enku nipa kono. Can't we just get those things? And some of the things no ebi eye one ebi a pepper spray, two ebi a shocker, electric shocker, yes, or shockewa and now your friend taser what the taser wa but obeyemre na ebia wo the handcuff egu wonsa nipa kwa ye ka se wo ye bodanfo a wo krase kan no nanka police for sebe ye wo sa tools ni bia nanka ye ntumi use e wo ne so ana e ma na because senia ye ka no akoye se sisi ano wo bia ehia police e wa abonten na police ni no nipa kono e move towards the police na akoye se police ni be feel say his life is being threatened. Not just a nipa na ye be kun free. I remember somewhere last year, a video also went viral of Bodanfo bi a wono so na wokra yesekan a wode chase policeman bi e wo your friend saying bank. Policeman is shoot Bodanfo ne say just that policeman no shoot a enka Bodanfo no. Na still Bodanfo no ko policeman ne so. Nti yama so wono so policeman ni tuo no ka Bodanfo na nka say Bodanfo no we ku no. So are we saying that we are not learning from these things? I feel that this is an opportunity for us to upgrade our police force. Me who say Ghana policeman ekra taser krada. Me who be krada and a pepper spray. Either say we crat you and I won't crat you. And this is a typical example. Nigeria for ni buefu. Omo akọ police station akọ sese nyama akọ bo adeja omo mebo omudia abo omudia trese enye easy kra omo abo omo mebo omudia enye easy because omo feel say eku omo de share. And mind you nini na eye anger build throughout the Nigerians because ye wo ho ene ete say Nigerian embassy yakwa kobubu dan bubu omo dan loko Nigeria wo parliament house and omo so eka say e wo say wo ya Ghana phobi Ghanaian embassy e wo Nigeria ho no e wo say wo nso ko bubu Ghanaian embassy e wo Nigeria no omo so ebeka say yenkrofobia na omo aban wo mu nim ho hwe. They said it in their parliament house. Even their speaker of parliament was angry. Inti imagine say wo mo ate say Nigeria ni bi wo Ghana ha say ya boni tueku no. What would they think? Because sa asem ne kra no e could do level bia. It had to take the president of the land, President Akufo-Addo, to call the Nigerian president to talk to him and apologize. Because asem ne bedani asem kese wo Ghana ha say. Ebe say Ghana din. Ghana fonso ye wo ye de hye wo Nigeria o and I send Nigeria 40 wo mu feel say o man bi yo mo nkrofo bibia they will also vent their anger on Ghana for na ewo Nigeria ho no. We saw what they did to South Africa. When we feel say South Africa e dey Nigeria for ewo mo krom no, we also what happened to South African companies in Nigeria. And that is not what we want. Ati ase. Inti yesremo asem we dey akwaye asem bia ne kano akwakoye dem because ebia na wa wo can be ana obe can be ama Nigeria for na ebia na wo kra no if we were to be put in the position of the police ebia na so yembe hwehwe se ne na abrante no wo de se kan ne ba na ebia na so yembe hwehwe wa so bebo abrante ni tu eku no it asem we won asem we edin